you will feel lonely, and psychologically you will be alone and stressed.
The successful person get the partner more easily.
Girl child to get married at a very respectable family.
And at time we can support our husband also after marriage.
And if the marriage are important to every peoples in the 28 September 1929, it has not been dropped down by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Career is most important, but even we can never deny marriage is important.
Hello everyone. Our team is going to favor career option because we all put our career above everything. We all put our self-worth, our dignity above everything. And in today's world, only the career and the independence that career provides us will help us to be a good human in this entire world and to prove our self-worth to the world. And that's why we all support career option.
So me and my team are supporting family over career or marriage over career. So I totally disagree with you that you have said career is most important thing. So one of the things that we have to see is that we have been injected by the Western civilization that career is most important, but that's false reality, because for us we are people of civilization, and also we have culture which Western people don't have. When I say that we have a culture, we have a culture of 8,000 year. So like when we work is for to earn for our family, or we are being a breadwinner for our own family. But the thing is that when we go into the pursuit of being a breadwinner, we should not forget the family. We have our family have also taken care of ourselves, so we should be do the same role for someone else by doing marriage and doing same to our children, like by raising them, by also giving some values that we have imbibed or taken from our family ourselves. So this is what I have to say. You can share your views later on.
In favor of career. So I would like to highlight one point that we all are not against marriage, but the first and foremost thing is career, education, and financial independence. Because you never know when the person who is with you now, till when he's gonna be with you. So you should be financially independent to face every situation.
Good morning, everyone. I am Yuv Chindal, and I'm in favor of marriage. As Khushi said, she is not against marriage. We are not also against career as well. But we are here just saying that marriage is also important, because if you are indulging in the career, in the work field, work profession a lot, and you cross the age of marrying in a proper age, it will cause a lot of problems biologically and psychologically as well for you, because you will feel lonely, and psychologically you will be alone and stressed due to your work life, and you won't have much people around you indulging in their own work field. And if you are indulging in work field for hours and hours, you're being a workaholic, you will not have much time for yourself and for your family. And about that, if you in biological process, it will be very hard for you to conceive a child and give birth if you are in a late age for marriage. That's the point. If you are in career, you should maintain it well. You should balance it well.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Mehak. I favor career. Career is very important for our life than marriage.
I'm in favor of marriage because in our society, the marriage is also important, because for future purpose, when we goes after 40 45, at this age we need a partner of to share our thoughts, views, and some points of life that we like, positive points, negative points. And sometimes if we live alone, we can't share our views with any other third person. For example, sometimes family at that age, family doesn't support like his brother or not. But at that time, at that point, at that situation, the only supportiveness is his wife.
You are talking about like after some age, we can get lonely. So what if your partner or someone's partner died? Then what will they do? She has no career. She will be dependent on her son for everything, for money and everything. She have to ask for everything. She has nothing. If she has the career, then she would not be dependent on others. She can work and be busy with the work, and she can get happiness with work or some people around her.
Marriage is necessary because it helps us to feel, to express ourselves to our partners, and they also have emotions they can share to us, and they can celebrate their vacation together also. And if he is depressed or she is depressed, he can help him or her in the every situation. It make a balance in their life also.
We are favoring on career. Marriage or career, both are important, but we gave the first priority to the career, because the person or to marry with their partner who is not financially or stable, how they can how their marital life work. They are financially and mentally are not stable, how they manage, how they stable, how their marital life works. So the woman family did not give their daughter in a family which son is not financially stable. So there are lots of chances of poverty. So and if there is no rush to marry, because there are a lots of people are there, but but the job are limited, and the successful person get the partner more easily when their career is.
Yeah, good morning to all of you. I will be favoring for marriage over the career aspect, because I agree that making a career and standing on your own feet is quite important in this world financially, and to secure oneself. That I agree with, but getting married at an appropriate age is also important, because seen from the biological point of view, it is also very quite agreeable, because later on women or even gents can also have some trouble, because if they marry at a later age, then they might not be able to conceive it. And other important thing is, families have also, the parents of the girls are also have a certain ambition, that in addition to the career, they also want their girl child to get married at a very respectable family, because if they cross the limit, then quite good options will not be available for the girl. That is an option. And I've seen personally that many women who have made a career wise quite a exponential growth, they have secured themselves quite fondly, quite agreeably in their world, but now they are finding it hard to get married at a later age, and this is quite troublesome for both their parents and their girl.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Smita, and I am in the favor of career. As sir said that there should be some biological clock for men and women both. But in India, in our country, there are many orphanages and many abandoned child. We can adopt some. First, we should make our career. We should be settled, because we that make us economically independent and confident also. And at time we can support our husband also after marriage, and we can adopt a child, and we are doing a great work by that, by adopting a child. So it's a kind of 2-in-1.
I am in favor of marriage, so I would like to highlight some points which will prove that the marriage is most important. So first, like we have some point, like first one is emotional support, then we have companionship and the sense of being the oneself. So emotional support we most required whenever we are in stress or anxiety or anything in life. So we just need a emotional support from. In companionship, like as a family or as a marriage, we can just enjoy or we can just enjoy ourselves or something. So we need a family when we face some hatchback in our life. So we just need a marriage and a family. And sense of being oneself, like we always feel like as a team when we have a family or marriage, so we think like we support each other very very easily, we can support to each other and all. Then come to like others as a retirement things. When you are in life as a retirement age, then you need a family. Like you can't just depend on just a career will not help you, even the financial support. So you always need a family when we are in that certain age where surroundings like you, someone is not there to talk to you in situation.
I'm Vivek Kumar Verma. I'm in favor of the careers, and I want to speak something in front of all peoples. And before some time, I have noticed 3 points has been dedicated by the in favor of my topics. Like as a 3-point are noticed. First line has been noticed by the Anushka. What has he was saying about the associations, being association. If every person knows that family is the important for all persons, and family can give you a lot of happiness and joys, and the family also demands your career, and all families also, and why are your family are teaching you, and they want to improve yourself. And now this time you have looking that career is not a destination, it is a suffer and journey, and every parents want to make our child's future is very bright. And if the marriage are important to every peoples, in the 28 September 1929, it has not been dropped down by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak of child marriage restraint. It is not important to every peoples. And now this time here side lots of person are sitting here side, they also have come here side making their career, and they have a lots of faces, they have a lots of difficulties, they have a lots of adversities, and being the like as a parents are saying that now this time what are you doing, then you will have to preparing for this type, and how can you build up your careers. And if you want to be, if you are building your careers, then you can take a lots of things, and a lots of people can get inspired by dint of you. And marriage is not necessary for everyone's. And before some time this matter has been said by the Khushi. And if you want to get something in your life, and if you want to make your families, then you will have to make your careers. After becoming your career, then you can expect all things, whatever you want in coming futures. Without careers, you can't get some things. Like as you know very well, and here side a lots of person has a lots of the proposal has come by dint of like as a girl's parents. And if you are making your career, then I can give my daughter hands in your hands. Otherwise, it's never be such. What is this? This is a phase. This is a phase of the career. This is on count of the career. Career is so important and beautiful appearance for every peoples. So I think that career is best, and career is the very important to every peoples. First you will have to make your career. After that you will have to think about the marriage. And after getting married, you can face a lots of difficulties. And you cannot survive yourself. You can get depressions, anxiety, frustration, a lots of things. And in that time, you are not able to survive yourself getting married. So I think that career is important for our people.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I would have to speak in the favor of marriage. So my opinion is that career is most important, but even we can never deny marriage is important. Because what is happening in our surrounding, everybody wants to make a good career, but what is happening in surrounding, people want to try make their career best, but because of career they make their life hell.